Previously, I reviewed the Hanatora 6-in-1 battery charger for the DJI Mini 2 drone. I received a viewer question asking whether the battery charge counter was incremented each time the Hanatora was used to charge the battery. So we're going to test that out in today's video. So let's get into it. I have the DJI Mini 2 Flymore combo, which includes 3 batteries, and the DJI Mini 2 two-way charging hub. On the side of the charging hub, you have a charge level indicator for each of the 3 batteries that it can hold. And if you press the button on the side here, you get an indication of the current charge level, or if you insert a battery, it will do that as well. You can see I have 2 batteries with 25% or less, and another battery here on the end with 50% or less. So I'm going to take one of these batteries, insert it into my DJI Mini 2, and then check the charge count, the number of times the battery has been charged, and then we'll attach it to the Hanatora 6-in-1 charger, and then we'll reinsert that battery into the Mini 2, checking the charge count afterwards to see if this process causes the battery charge count to increment. So let's take this battery out here. I've added a label here to give a unique identifier so we can verify that in the screen so you can tell that I'm showing you that actual battery. It ends in 0E1E, so let's take that out and get that installed into the Mini 2 and show you that charge count. So let me switch to that scene now. I have the Mini 2 battery with a serial number that ends in 0E1E in my Mini 2. I've connected to the Mini 2 with my controller, and I have the DJI Fly app 1510 up and running to show you the battery info. We can see that the serial number at the very end does match up. I blurred the rest of it, and the battery times charge shows 5. So I'll go ahead and shut down the Mini 2 and attach it to the Hanatora charger, and we'll go ahead and reinsert it at the end to check that battery times charge to see if it goes up to 6. So let's start that process now. I have the battery out of the Mini 2. It's the battery with the serial number that ends in 0E1E as I showed you in the DJI Fly app. And we're going to charge it with the Hanatora 6-in-1 charger. I don't need to charge the additional batteries at this point for this type of test. I do have a stopwatch sitting here. I'm not going to time-lapse the whole charging session. I'll just time how long it takes using the stopwatch, and we'll show you that at the end. And once it's fully charged, we'll reinstall it into the Mini 2 and check that battery times charge count and see if it increments up to 6. So let's start the test. Start the timer, plug in the charger. As I demonstrated in the original review for this product, the unused slots for the battery charger show a status of green, and the one that's connected to the battery shows red, so that will go green when the battery is fully charged. So let's get it to a fully charged state and check the battery times charge counter. The charging of the battery using the Hanatora 6-in-1 battery charger for the Mini 2 has just completed. It took just under 1 hour 26 minutes. It looked like around 1 hour 25 minutes and 50 seconds roughly. So it's at 100% charge according to the Hanatora. It started at a 15% charge. I looked at the screen capture I had before, so we went from 15 to 100 in the 1 hour 25 minutes and 50 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect this at this point. And again, this is the 0E1E battery. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the power from this for now. And we do show 100% charge level here. So it did fully charge the battery according to the DJI Mini 2 itself. And let's go ahead and go back into safety, battery info. Looking at this screen, we can see that the serial number here does end in the 0E1E, so it's the same battery that we were working with. And the battery times charge did not increment from 5 to 6. So my viewer's question and assertion that it does not actually increment that is confirmed. So based on that, keep in mind that your battery charge count will not get incremented if you're using this charger, and it will give a false impression that the battery's used less than it has been in your particular drone, or at least the number of times it's been charged. So keep that in mind. I wanted to do this investigation to answer the question, and we now have the answer. So if you like videos like this where I check out topics and questions that you have with the various things that I review, please leave me a question or comment down in the comment section. If you found this to be informational, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.